So 6 months, I would get a job.
Yep.
And I would bet on myself with the stake money. Okay. So I know how to reduce myself into nothing in order to save. Nothing.
That's a skill right there, bro.
So
I'm right there with him.
There,
even
I'm right
to the point
there
when I started
with him.
the
How you paying
clothes
your rent
shop.
then? How you paying your rent at the same time?
That's it.
Just paying
That's
rent.
it.
What's the expense other than that?
Food.
Where am I going? Brother, food don't cost as much as you want depending on what your appetite is. A man can reduce himself into nothing. Not everybody does.
Let's go back. The man...
Food don't cost as much as you want depending on what your appetite is. A man can reduce himself into nothing. Not everybody does.
A man can reduce himself into nothing. Not everybody does. I know what this is. Oh, man.
Because if you're dealing with your feelings and your appetite, and one thing about me as well, I can eat the same thing for 6 months. Don't feel no way. I don't need no variety.
I can't, bro.
I'm not exciting.
Wow.
I'm right there
I
with
can
him.
be exciting. I can have the most lavish taste. So when I'm living, I'll be eating salmon steaks every day. I'll be eating chicken breast. I'm not buying nothing but chicken breast, prawns, and salmon. But you see, I know how to reduce myself
Absolutely.
into nothing.
To nothing.
I know how to come and take over a room.
Listen, reduce yourself into nothing and not feel like nothing and not let nobody treat you like nothing. But you know that you have a certain purpose and a certain grind and a certain goal that you have to achieve. And you know for a fact that when I say nobody gets in your way, you're going to get that. You're going to make that happen. The only person that's going to get in your way is you. And that's it.